Assalamualaikum all the students of class 2. We are going to learn about computer. Unit 1 parts of computer. You know the students, computer is an electronic machine. It has different parts and it is used everywhere. And you know why the computer is famous. First of all, I would like to tell why computer is famous and how it works. It is an electronic machine, it works very fast and it does not make mistakes and it can do many tasks. We are using computer in schools, in banks and offices and at homes, and computer in shops. We are using computer in hospitals, and we are using computer in railways. We are using computer at airports and offices, and we are using computer at even fast food centers as well. These are the different places where we are using computers. Now, first of all, I would like to tell you different parts of computer. It's a second unit of class 2, but further I will inshallah tell you the different places of computer and its use and how it's used. Different parts of computer. First of all, the main parts of the computer is monitor for display, keyboard for typing, it just work as a typewriter, and CPU. CPU is the main part of the computer because it is also called the brain of computer. There are different devices of computer just like mouse, printer, floppy. And we consider some devices as output or input. Some output devices are monitor, printer. On the other hand, input devices are mouse, keyboard. Now the students, I am going to tell you that the keyboard look like a typewriter. It is used to give instructions to the computer, and it has different buttons, and these buttons are called keys. These buttons are called keys. Now whatever the instructions given by the user to the computer by pressing these keys. Now the keyboard is considered as input device. Now we are going to learn about CPU. Yes, CPU is the main part of the computer because it is also called the brain of the computer because it controls all the system of the computer. It also called the central processing unit. Now we are going to I'm going to tell about monitor. Monitor is used for display of any sort of things. For example, it's just like work as a television. And monitor shows the result of the work done by the computer. Whatever we type using our keyboard appears on the screen of the monitor. And monitor is output device. Mouse. What is the use of the mouse? I am going to tell you about, and it is input device. Mouse is a input device. If anybody asks you what are the input devices and what are the output devices, you can tell them that output devices are monitor, printer, just like input devices, mouse, keyboard and all that. Why we are using mouse? The use of mouse is like used to give instructions to the computer. So it is also called input device, and the mouse does not have any sort of keys for typing. It is used to give instruction by selecting any item from the different option shown on the monitor. Everything is like a brain is all the things are available in the brain of the computer. Whatever is going to display on the computer, you just click on that relevant thing and everything will be comes appear on the screen of the monitor. Now we are going to learn about the printer. Printer is output device that is used to take the print whatever is like display on the computer. If you need that print in a hard form, you can get the print of that document through printer. It is also output device. Floppy. Floppies are basically some these are the storage devices. It is a kind of storage devices, and there are different types of storage devices. That's like disk, digital video disk, and USBs, floppies, and all that. Floppy is used to store different information like numbers, words, picture, and all that. And CDs are like it's a round shape. It's a round shape item, and which is used to store any sort of thing. You can use it for games, videos, and all that. And USBs. If you want to store some data, just like in a document form, any sort of picture and all that, you can use USB, and you can save all the information. At the time of need, you can use it.